MySafety really extends ADT's protection not only from the home now, it's now wherever you are and wherever you go. Hi, my name is Shantanu Rangnekar. I'm a Senior Director of Product Management at ADT. I'm going to quickly walk you through a demo of the MySafety features within the ADT Plus app. MySafety will be available to all ADT Plus customers on a V5 system. With MySafety, you'll be able to do 4 things. You'll be able to initiate an SOS call, initiate an SOS text, start a safety timer, or launch MySafety with an emergency phrase. Once you navigate to the MySafety tab within the ADT app, you'll see a big red button allowing you to initiate a call or a text in an emergency. If you tap on that button, you can then choose for an ADT agent to call you or to text you whenever you feel unsafe. Another thing you can do within MySafety is to start a safety timer. You can set a timer anytime you want an ADT agent to check on you, like when you exercise or just feel uncomfortable. Start the timer, and an ADT agent will be following your location during that timer. You can stop the timer when you feel safe. If you don't stop it, an ADT agent will call your phone after it ends. If you discreetly want to contact ADT, you can enable an emergency phrase. By enabling emergency phrase, the ADT app will listen for an emergency phrase, and when you speak that phrase, emergency services will be called to your last location. And that's a demo, and these are the 4 features of MySafety within the ADT Plus app.